X, back with another video. Here come with the smiley face again from Amazon. They really like that kind of packaging. Let me just rip this open for you. And here we go. Oh, this is the Video Micro from Rode. This is the smaller version of the Pro. But I heard this is a better mic than that. I have no idea. I've seen some great reviews in this thing and I can't wait to open this. This came at $76.99. Came in after 2 days. Fast shipping, Prime. You know how it is. Now, this is not your typical unboxing. I'm just gonna use the greatest tool I have, which is my hands, and rip that. Throw that away. Open this up. Let me just pull this out of here. And this box is just gonna be thrown. Let's open this up. And yeah, pretty straightforward. Here's the Rode mic. It comes with this furry thing so that you can clean your hands off it. Well, it's mainly for wind so that you won't hear that extra noise in the background. It comes with this stand and also this cable. Silica gel, throw that out. Literature, throw that out. Here we go. And throw that plastic away. Don't need that. This has a nice bendy retractable wire. This one's movable, so it's not stiff at all. This one's removable. If you don't want it, if you're indoors or whatever. It just goes in, no problem at all. Slides in. Just like that. You can also use this to play around with your fingers, kind of like a puppet. Here we go. Just clips on like that. Fairly easy. Put that name up there, Rode. It kind of swivels, or kind of like a bubble head. It's really nice. Premium build. This one goes into your microphone jack. Kind of like a mouse or a hamster. There it is. Now I'd like to show you how to install it on a camera. You just have to put it on a microphone jack part, and that's it. Fairly easy. Now let's do a microphone test. This is the microphone test coming from the Rode Micro. This is a microphone test coming straight from the Pentax K5. That's it for today, guys. Hit the like button, subscribe, and see you at the comments below. Peace. Microphone test.